Alright guys, back again. I've got Alex G here with 2 boxes of the brand new Parks and Recreation. It's going to be a pretty fun break. Good luck, buddy. Also got 2 boxes preferred coming up for you after this. Alright. See what we got. I'll stack all these up and we'll roll through it. Got a little Ron Swanson action. These cards are pretty cool looking. Aubrey Plaza, you. Get a little April Ludgate action. Alright, let's see what we got. There's Aubrey Plaza. And look what's on the back there. Ask and you shall receive. Boom. Nice hit right there. Oh, Rob Lowe. Love his character on there. Nice. And our last stack here. Ooh, look what we got. Nice. 95 of 95. Mr. Ron Swanson himself, Nick Offerman. Excellent hit. And, ooh, sweet. Aziz Ansari. Suit jacket, numbered 6 of 99. Excellent first box. Alright, box number 2. That's going to be tough to beat right there. Wish I had like a full cast autograph. That'd be pretty sweet. Like a fold-out booklet. The RonSwansonGrill.com. Nice. All right. Entertainment 720. Mouse Rat. Chris Pratt. All base there. Middle stack. Polar. All right, we've got Fred Armisen as Raul. First auto. And last stack here. Nice. Sweet. Paul Rudd as Bobby Newport. That's a sweet hit right there. Excellent hit. And our memorabilia piece is, ooh, sweet. Got a suit jacket. Rob Lowe, Chris Traeger. And that'll do it. All right, Alex, appreciate it, buddy. I'll be back to do the preferred basketball right after this.